Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Malad City, local and long-distance movers near me. If you want the right long-distance movers, we can help. We offer the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. You get the worry-free moving process you need with us. While we cannot take all the stress of relocating 100 miles away or further, we can make the moving portion easier. You don't need to stress out about all the hard work. Let us handle it for you. Choosing to hire an Idaho moving company is a smart decision. It's a good idea to have professionals to help with the loading and unloading. You can even hire movers to do the packing and unpacking for you. Either way, you'll save a ton of time and energy. 3 men and a truck offers the best options for your move. We provide you with a streamlined process to get settled in sooner. When the move would take you a week to complete, we can get it done in a day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Malad City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.